This is my 1974 Super Beetle that we've named Beetlejuice, and it's been stinking up the garage pretty bad, so today I'm just going to try to eliminate the odor. Don't let me forget where I put these. So this is actually a new project for me, and I have the engine and a million different parts and pieces in the garage. I just have to puzzle the whole thing together. But before I do, I have to get rid of the odor in this car. It's like a potpourri of mouse poop and mouse pee, and decaying vinyl, definitely mildew, and well, WD-40, but that's my fault, and I actually love the smell of WD-40. You can see here where rodents chewed through the vinyl, and also up here in the headliner, and up here above the visor. So I'm guessing that the odor is coming from inside the seats and above the headliner. It's just really unfortunate because the headliner looks to be in otherwise good condition. Okay, so normally to take out the headliner you would remove the windows to do it properly, but this is just to quickly eliminate the odor, and I'm going to be a little hasty about it, so don't get mad at me. It smells much better in here. Actually, that's a lie. I have no idea what it smells like in here. I'm probably going to be smelling mouse poop for a week. I do want to mention, though, that right here where I'm kneeling is where there used to be this festering puddle of rainwater and mouse poop, and that's where the car got its name from, Beetlejuice. Now, I'm not an auto mechanic, but I do know that these cars were designed so that regular people like me could maintain them on their own. So I'm pretty confident I can puzzle this thing together. Okay, so I have no real plan or even desire to restore this to its former glory or anything like that. I just want to build it into a dependable daily driver. Even if it looks a little ratty, I just want it to run well. So if you have any advice or suggestions, I'm wide open. Alright, goodbye. I'm locking you in my garage now.